Quick test. When you type google.com and hit enter, do you think your browser goes to Google? Not exactly. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the invisible relay race your browser runs so fast you never notice just to load one page. A web browser is basically a translator and delivery driver in one. It finds websites, requests the files, understands the code, and builds the page you see. Now let's break down what actually happens the moment you type a URL. First, your browser reads the address google.com. It asks, is this a real web address? And where is it located? But here's the twist. The internet doesn't run on names. It runs on IP addresses, like phone numbers for computers. So your browser calls DNS. Think of it like the internet's giant contact list. DNS says, google.com, that lives at this IP address. No IP, no website. This is why when DNS fails, it feels like the whole internet disappears. Now your browser connects to that IP, basically knocking on the door of Google's server and saying, "Hi, I'm a browser. I'd like the homepage, please." If it's a secure site, most are, your browser also does a quick security handshake called HTTPS. It's like checking ID at the door, so nobody can secretly swap your data on the way. Then comes the big moment. Your browser sends a request, give me the page. The server responds with ingredients, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the style, colors, layout, fonts. JavaScript is the brain, buttons, animations, anything interactive. Here's where the magic happens. Your browser doesn't receive a page. It receives instructions, so it starts building. It reads the HTML and creates a map of the page. It applies CSS to make it look right. It runs JavaScript to make it move and respond. And while you're watching the page appear, your browser is still working in the background, downloading images, fonts, videos, trackers, ads, sometimes hundreds of separate files. This is why your choice of browser matters. A browser isn't just a window to the internet. It's the engine deciding how fast pages load, how safe you are, and how much of your data gets collected. So the next time you type a URL and a page pops up instantly, remember, your browser just did a high-speed mission. Contact list, security check, server request, code translation, and page construction, all in seconds. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel.